How to prevent bugs from entering a home. Nothing is more annoying than bugs in a home. The following will help prevent and deter any unwanted visitors. Things you will need: vacuum, insect/rodent sticky pads, broom, screens, caulk and caulking gun. Keep the doors closed as much as possible. Verify that the doors to the outside are properly sealed. To test this, close the door. If you see the outside light, the sealant around the door needs to be fixed. Sweep and vacuum frequently. Bugs love crumbs. Keep the counters free of food. This includes fruit. Seal food properly in the pantry area. Keep the trash area clean and remove the trash often. Check window and door screens for holes. Verify there are no openings under the sinks. The smallest of holes around pipes allow pests to enter the home. Place screens on anything that connects the inside house to the outside, such as the laundry vent. Place insect and rodent sticky pads in areas that are prone to allowing insects indoors. Spray pesticides around the home according to directions. Tips: warnings. The main key is to keep food away. Sticky pads can hurt skin when removing if you accidentally step on one.